So say I want to reach out to another state and I'm looking for an idea for like a backpack or a t-shirt design. Is there a social media or a platform I can go to talk to another NCO or maybe see some photos or examples?
Okay, are you on Facebook?
I am.
All right, so you can look at two different things on there. There is a private group for marketing NCOs that will show you just products, just different ideas that marketing NCOs have gotten. I think close to all 54 marketing NCOs, and some of the former marketing NCOs are still in that group, and that's a good place and way to share information. The Guard Recruiting Forum on Facebook as well is another good one. Although you get a lot of things that aren't necessarily marketing related, sometimes you'll see some interesting products. Sometimes you'll see some products that are a good don't do this type of thing, but it gives you some guidelines on some stuff that you could do.